Today we're removing the amplifier and nav DVD player from an Acura RDX. We're going to start at the passenger side front seat along the center console and pry the bottom edge of the small panel from the side, releasing it. We're going to also pry the top edge of the remaining side of the panel, move back along the top edge and release this top edge. We're going to move forward to the opening and also pry the side panel back to release this panel. This panel will release back. There are several clips securing it in place. They release with pull and pry pressure. You can pull this panel back and set it to the side. Next, with our 10mm socket, there are two bolts on the side of the nav DV drive, one at the bottom, one at the top. On the left side there is one screw. We're going to remove all these screws. Once they are removed, you can push the nav DVD player back. It will release the nuts that are coming through the holes on the openings on the side, and you can drop this down to the floor on the vehicle. There are three screws that secure the amplifier up in the top of the center console, one at the front and two screws at the back. These screws supposedly you can loosen and slide the amplifier to release through the larger openings, but we find it's much better if you remove at least the back two screws. It makes it easier to release one. The amplifier will drop down. This will allow you to pull it forward to access the two connectors. These connectors have little triggers at the center of them that you squeeze down in to release the lock and remove them. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.